I want to show you the easiest way for you to go and create a $3,000 a month or more income thanks to very simple systems and automations that are designed to help you get in the game quickly so you can start earning commissions and do the activities that are proven to produce sales. Okay, right now you're looking at my Facebook page and you can see Uh, actually, what I want to do before I do this is I want to show you the steps because this is so simple. It's crazy. First thing you're going to do is you go to the link in my description and you're going to click on that link and you're going to see a page that looks just like this. I'm going to show you exactly where to get it. Okay. So once you get started, you're going to click on this affiliate tab. You're going to watch this video. You're going to come down here where it says your turnkey system is ready. And you're just going to click on the button there. Okay, and you're going to come over here and paste that right in, and there's your system. So that's step one. Well, that's step two. You get started first. You decide how much you want to position yourself to earn. I recommend the $35 triple residual pack because what that's going to do is put you in a position where you can earn unlimited $8 residual commissions, $20 commissions, and $100 residual commissions, total of $128 residual commissions. Those are commissions that come in month after month after month after month for work you did one time. Okay, so step one, decide where you want to get started. Step two, you want to grab your system like I just showed you. Step three is you're going to turn on your software. Okay, that's going to go and invite your friends to this system automatically while you sleep, while you're at the beach, while you're at the movies, while you're at work, whatever it is you're doing, it's working for you behind the scenes. And that's it. Once that software's on and it's running and it's sending messages for you, when people respond, all you do is send them the information. This couldn't get any easier. Like, I don't know what could be easier. Over the years, I have made many, 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 many sales doing this exact thing, but I had to do it manually. This is automated. You have a turnkey system that does literally everything for you. The only thing it doesn't do is it gets you leads, but the software gets you leads. So let me come back over here and all we're going to do is go back to the affiliate. Remember, watch the video after you decide where you want to get started, how you want to position yourself to make, like, do you want to make a little bit of money? Do you want to make a lot of money? Totally your decision. Doesn't matter where you start, to be honest. The system's going to work for you no matter what. Okay, because that's what it's designed to do. Um, and then you just grab your system. Like I said, watch the video. The video is going to explain everything to you. Grab your system. Your system's ready to go. Let me just show you what the sales page looks like. So the system's going to take your people. It's going to take your people right through the process. So I'll come back to the sales page in a minute. I want to show you this real quick. Okay, click on affiliate right here. I'm going to click on scripts. Boom. You're going to download the inviter. That's a software that's going to go and invite your people, your friends, your Facebook friends, and you could select what friends you want. It doesn't matter. And it's going to send out an invite message. So let me just show you how this thing works in real time. So here we are. We have the system. I took a screenshot of it. You can see that it sends out 10 messages a day. These are preloaded messages. These are uh, based on proven script type messages, like how to reach out to people, how to invite people by someone that's a seven-figure earner. Okay, so I've been doing it for a while. There's 5 different messages. There's spin text. So I went into all kinds of details in another video. I'll attach it to this one so you can watch it, so you can see everything that this does. Just understand it's a very, very simple way for you to start earning income from home. You decide how much you want to make, how much you want to position yourself to make. You grab your turnkey system, you turn on your software, and you go about your day. That's it. When people respond, and they do respond, so I'm going to open this up, and you can see these people, the message has been going out. You can see people message going out. Some of these I have sent videos to because they asked for videos or asked for information. So you can see this is working. Now, what happens is this is working while I'm sleeping, while I'm out going for a walk, while I'm watching TV, I'm watching a basketball game. It doesn't matter. It's working and it's doing the very thing that produces sales, which is getting your message, inviting people to your opportunity, to your system. That's what you want to be doing to grow any business. Now, I do want to open this up, and the reason I want to open it up is I want to show you something that I have not shown before, and I just want to pull this up real quick, okay? So, if we look at this message, it says, "Hey name, hope all is well in your world. I just came across something that made me think of you. It's an online business that's pretty different. Honestly, I've never seen anything quite like it. Anyway, it looks like it could have some pretty good potential. So I wanted to reach out to you, see if you'd be open to taking a look." Okay. Now, what I want you to notice is there is nothing about any business name. There are no links. There's nothing. This is an evergreen message that can be used for literally anything. You could use this for anything. For example, I had someone, they told me they didn't want to have anything that had a monthly payment. Well, it so happens I have a program that pays high ticket commissions. That's a one time payment. So I pivoted to that and sent them that one instead. But it all started with a message that is automated, that is done for me. So, I mean, it's fantastic. And this is something that can be used for, I didn't say this before, but it can be used for any business. It's designed to be used for Home Business Academy, but it could be used for any business. You could plug any business you want into there because it's an evergreen message. And check this out. You get this software for any of the products within Home Business Academy. So you could start for as little as $10. Get this phenomenal app. It's called Let's Go. It's a life transformation app or life compass, whatever you want to call it. It walks you through daily activities that are going to move the bar in your life, in all aspects of your life. I use it all the time, helps me get more done, helps me develop good habits, and helps me get things that are really important done each day: gratitude, visualization, exercise, stretching, reading. I mean, all this is in here, journaling, notes, like it's all in here for this app. And you get this for $10. You get, uh, I think it's up to 7 accounts too that you can share with friends or family. You get a spouse account. Your spouse account allows your spouse to have access to everything you have. You don't get charged anything extra. So that's the product you get for $10. You get a turnkey system and you get the software that sends the invites that are automated. So you have a tool. Let's just say you're at $10 and you do this one. You have a tool that's going to level up your life no matter what it is you're doing, no matter what job what you do for a living, where you are in life, how successful or unsuccessful you are. This tool, this app is going to help you level up when you do it, when you use it. It's very, very powerful. Uh, but you get all of this included for $10. And like I showed you, the software, the tool, the custom tool that was built for this company to help people go into action as quick as possible so they can start making sales, is provided for you for even $10. It's insane. It's insane. I used to pay $150 a month for software, and it wasn't even this good. Okay, so but it does the thing that needs to be done to make sales. Simple as that. It does that thing. It's very simple. So steps, get started. And that's what I want to bring you to now, is just tell you where to go to get started. You're going to come to this page. So after you enter your information here, you're going to come to this page. You're going to come over here and you're going to decide. And I highly recommend this $35 starter pack. Just click on it real quick. You're going to get the HBA Premium, you get Let's Go and the Funnel Builder. All of these pay residual income. They give you premium for free for 2 weeks. So you get the coaching for free. You get all the training for free. You get the different premium tools for free for a whole 14 days. Um, and this is just going to increase how much you can earn. So let me just come back. So this is where you go. You just decide what you want to do. If you don't want all three, there is a place where you can select. Let me see here. There is a place where you can select. I'm not sure if it's on this one, but it is on one of these where you can select. Yeah, if you come down here, just depending on what you want to do, you can just select which one you want. Okay, so but it is recommended. Do the 35. It's $35. Start a business that makes you residual income with a turnkey system and software that does the uh, inviting for you, so you don't have to worry about it. It's done for you. And then I said you can make $3,000. So let me just show you that real quick. So there we go. We're going to put this right into the calculator and show you exactly what's required for you to make $3,000 a month using a turnkey system, having software that goes out and invites for you so you can get your system in front of people. People, some of them will like it, some of them will buy, some of them won't, but it doesn't matter because it's automated. It's done. So you just need 24 customers at that 128 a month. Okay. You just need 24 customers with the triple residual pack. Now, if you don't have the triple residual pack, let's just say you have Let's Go, you need 375 customers. If you just have Funnel Builder, you need 150. If you just have Premium, you need 30. So you can see how it adds up and why we recommend you do that 35 triple residual pack. Okay, that's all I got. Super simple system, easy math to follow. Nothing here is complicated. This is a 10-year proven business. They provide the most value, they provide the most support, they pay the highest residual commissions around. There is no other company that pays 80% residual commissions. They are in a class of their own. So if you want to make more faster and easier, go to the link in my description right now and decide to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.